Pharynx is 12 centimeter long. It is a funnel-shaped vertical canal passageway to esophagus from the buccal cavity. The muscles of pharynx contract to push the food into esophagus. The process of pushing food into esophagus is called swallowing or deglutition. From the esophagus, the food reaches to the stomach. It's a bag-like structure. Stomach is a J-shaped muscular organ. The walls of the stomach secrete hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills the germs which may be present in food. Moreover, it makes the medium inside the stomach as acidic. The acidic medium is necessary for gastric enzymes to work. The enzyme pepsin secreted in the stomach does partial digestion of protein. The mucus secreted by the walls of the stomach saves the inner lining of the stomach from corroding action of hydrochloric acid as well as from pepsin enzyme. Functions of gastric juice enzymes. There are various gastric juice enzymes present in the stomach. One such is hydrochloric acid, renin, pepsin, mucus. Hydrochloric acid softens the food, activates pepsin, stops the action of salivary amylase, kills germs and bacteria, converts inactive pepsinogen, raw renin into active pepsin and renin. Renin, active only in infants, converts soluble milk protein casein into insoluble protein called para-casein. Due to this, milk stays in stomach for longer duration. Pepsin hydrolyzes protein in soluble proteases and peptones in the presence of hydrochloric acid. And what about the mucus? The mucus secreted by the walls of the stomach saves the inner lining of the stomach from corroding action of hydrochloric acid as well as from pepsin enzyme. Functions of stomach. Churning of food. Stomach mixes the food with the gastric juice. Then it softens the food with the help of hydrochloric acid. Then it stores temporarily. So, partial digestion takes place inside the stomach. Then it absorbs soluble compounds such as glucose, alcohols, minerals, etc. from the food. After absorbing, it regulates the passage of food in the intestine. Stomach makes the food softer and allows the food to pass to intestine through the pyloric valve. Once the food partially digested inside the stomach with the help of gastric juice enzymes, then the food reaches to the small intestine. Small intestine. It is a highly coiled, tube-like structure located in the small space of abdomen. It is about 6 to 6.5 meters long in an adult. It is the site of complete digestion and absorption of food in human beings. The small intestine is divided into three parts like duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Herbivorous animals usually they eat plant products which is rich in cellulose, which is a complex sugar is called carbohydrate, very difficult to digest. Hence, they need a longer, small intestine. Carnivore animals eat meat, which is very easy to digest. Hence, they have shorter, smaller intestine. There are two glands which secretes by small intestine for the further digestion. That one is the liver. Liver is the largest organ in the human body. The liver manufactures bile. Bile is an alkaline solution which contains bile pigment, which gets stored in the gallbladder. It secretes a medium for the pancreatic juice to act on food by neutralizing the acidity of the food. It helps to emulsify or break the fats or lipids present in the food. It also prevents the putrefaction, that is spoiling of food. And then pancreas. This is also one of the gland. It's just 12 to 15 centimeter in length, second largest gland we say, which is situated below the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juice which contains many digestive enzymes like trypsin, which digests protein, pancreatic lipids, which breaks down emulsified fat, pancreatic amylase, which breaks down protein. Absorption. At the end products of digestion are soluble in water and hence can be easily absorbed by the walls of intestine containing blood capillaries. In the surface of small intestine is specially adapted for the process of absorption of digested food by having millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. Hence, villi and blood capillaries enhance the complete absorption in the body. In assimilation, the process in which the absorbed food is taken in by the body cells and used for energy, growth, and repair is called assimilation. Then the large intestine. Usually, the digestion takes place in large intestines. Once the food is completely absorbed and assimilated with the help of small intestine, the waste discharge goes to the large intestine where the food gets digested out. All the undigested food material discharge from the body along with mucus and water. There are three parts of intestine, larger intestine we say, that is cecum, colon and rectum. Through the anal pore, it will be excreted all this solid waste.